Bullish Mobox cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2.14 and $4.67 by 2030. Market experts accept Mbox could reach $2.14 by 2025. Bearish Mobox market cost expectation for 2022 is 38 cents. Mobox presentation as cryptographic forms of money became standard. Their applications have likewise moved past method for installment. One such application is the somewhat new non-fungible token. NFTs are remarkable advanced resources that only one individual can possess. In any case, what precisely do NFTs mean for the crypto world, and how have they changed the game in the recently arising metaverses? Enter the Mobox coin. In this video, we'll go over the essentials of Mobox and let you know all that you want to be aware of the coin's anticipated cost, so you can choose whether to purchase Mobox. In this way, continue to peruse for the total Mobox value expectation and contributing it. What is Mobox? The Mobox coin isn't exactly a conventional coin on the crypto market fundamentally, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Rather, it's a local utility token. Accordingly, the assessed cost expectation varies contrasted with the cost expectation for other common digital currencies. The venture that Mobox coin was worked for to act as a utility token is the Mobox convention. The Mobox convention is a yield-cultivating crypto project that produces coins for the MOM Overview, a web-based gaming metaverse. What is a utility token? A utility token, in some cases known as an application coin or a client token, is an extraordinary sort of crypto token that permits token holders to utilize items and administration. In that capacity, the Mobox token is the token inside the Mobox convention, permitting clients to get to administrations inside the MOM Overview metaverse. Utility tokens have different expected expectations and projections contrasted with run-of-the-mill cryptographic forms of money. The justification for these distinctions is that utility tokens are frequently unregulated. They structure a miniature economy inside various blockchains and consequently have an alternate cost expectation, market cap, and future cost figure. What is a yield cultivating task? Yield cultivating is a method for benefiting by loaning digital currency and benefiting through interest. Despite the fact that yield cultivating isn't really a wise interest temporarily, it might get a decent return 2 or 3 years' time given that the money has a consistent cost increment. Yield cultivating projects are otherwise called DeFi, or decentralized finance projects. That is on the grounds that clients loan or get coins on a decentralized exchanging stage. Whether a yield-cultivating project is a beneficial speculation relies generally upon the kind of digital money being exchanged as well as the cost conjecture. Mobox Central Examination. At first sent off in April 2021. Mobox is a token for exchanging gaming NFTs. As such, it's a method for procuring and exchange coins as you mess around on the Mobox site. Mobox is gathered and controlled through in-game resources. In any case, not at all like most NFTs which are based on the Ethereum blockchain. Mobox is based on the Binance Brilliant chain. The typical estimate cost, greatest cost gauge, and Mobox cost increment are accordingly generally connected to the Binance blockchain. This likewise settles on Mobox a harmless to the ecosystem digital money decision, making it carbon nonpartisan. Mobox current cost. Mobox is presently worth 47 cents USD. Mbox has moved 4.14% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,462,610. Mobox is presently positioned 374 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $39,065,091 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Mobox to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Mobox Value Forecast 2022. Mobox, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Mbox cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 71 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 66 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Mbox is supposed to have a base worth of 57 cents. Mobox Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Mobox Mbox cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mbox will before long outperform $1.19. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Mbox's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Mbox will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 95 cents and a typical exchanging cost of $1.05. Mobox Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.67 and Mbox might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mbox is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.52 and a low of $1.43 in 2024. Mobox Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Mobox effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the Mbox coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mbox will be green in 2025. The Mbox is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.14, with a base cost of $1.90 and a typical cost of $2. Mobox Value Forecast 2026. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the Mbox cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.48 by 2026, with a base cost of $2.38 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Mbox has a most extreme value worth of $2.62. Mobox Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.95. On the off chance that Mbox figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $3.09. Neglecting to assemble the help Mbox needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.86. Mobox Value Forecast 2028. While Mbox is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $3.33 and a yearly cost close above $3.57 in 2028. Mobox Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Mobox will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $3.81 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $4.05, averaging out at $3.90. Mobox Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Mbox cost in 2030 is projected to be $4.67 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $4.48. And NFTs are as yet a moderately new innovation, hence it is challenging to know their general effect on the crypto market and as long-haul monetary speculations. Notwithstanding this vulnerability, exchanging Mobox is as of now a respectable market speculation. Until further notice, one can anticipate that Mobox should acquire financial backers and notoriety in the future once metaverses become well